Hello everyone. We are into the second week of Road to Map course from Alchemy University. We have completed the first week and you can check the videos on my YouTube channel. Uh, we are covering this course. In the first week we got this task. Now in the second week we have task to build DeFi app. So let's start it. Uh, this is the link that Alchemy sent me. Now let's see what is the task. How to build buy me a coffee DeFi app. So let's start it. Blockchain technology is amazing because it gives us the ability to program money using code and software. With a few lines of code, it's possible to build all kinds of applications and protocols that can create new opportunities for people around the world. Buy Me a Coffee is a popular website that creators, educators, entertainers, and all kinds of people use to create a landing page where anyone can send some amount of money as a thank you for their services. However, in order to use it, you must have a bank account and a credit card. Not everyone has that. A benefit of decentralized application built on top of a blockchain is that anyone from around the world can access the app using just an Ethereum wallet, which anyone can set up for free in under 1 minute. Let's see how we can use that our advantage. So in this tutorial, you are going to learn how to develop and deploy a decentralized buy me a coffee smart contract that allow visitors to send you fake Ethereum as tips and leave nice messages using Alchemy, Hardhat, Ethers.js, and Ethereum Goerli network. So what we will learn in this course, we will learn Red Hat development environment to build and deploy smart contract. Using it, connect your MetaMask wallet to the Goerli using uh, using an Alchemy RPC endpoint. Get Goerli Ethereum for from goerlifaucet.com. Use Ethers.js to interact with your deployed smart contract. Build a front website for your decentralized application with Lepted.